Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sees Stuff. Well, it's almost dinner time, and I think I can do a painting. I can start a painting today. Today will be day one, and it's going to be another cockatiel portrait. This one is a memorial portrait. A lot of people contact me after, sadly, their birds have passed, and I get the honor of painting them. Their beloved animal, and so they can just feel that connection still to the animal that they love. I believe that all beauty is forever, and so we have to keep hope and just enjoy the blessing that our pets give us. So I'm gonna paint this beautiful cockatiel portrait today. Here's the photo I'll be working from. I always have a challenge getting the texture of the feathers, so I'm going to try something new today, as you can see. I think, let's see, if I go like this, pull in the direction of the feathers, maybe I'll get, but they're scalloped and layered, so I have to start from here. Hello! Well, that one actually went really well. You want that little house? It just went very smoothly, and I think God's expression is really relaxed and confident expression. I'm really blessed and pleased with this one.